Welcome students. Today we will study unit number 8, Introduction to Scientific Measures. First of all, we will study what is physics. Physics is a natural science that involves the study of matter and its motion through space and time, along with related concepts such as energy and force. Now, what are physical quantities? The property of material that can be measured by its magnitude and unit, how time can be measured, how in which unit it is measured, how length is measured, how the in what terms length is measured, what units are used for length. So these are all physical quantities. Prefixes are words or letters added before the SI units such as kilo, centi, mega, etc. Nano, micro, these are all prefixes. They are useful for expressing the units of physical quantities that are either very big or very small. Rules for the conversion of units. If you need to convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply the terms. And if you need to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you have to divide the terms. Steps to convert units. Start with the unit you want to change. Multiply it by a blank fraction. The unit we want to change goes into the denominator. The unit you want to convert into goes into the numerator. Insert the values for your conversion factor. Solve the problem. Here are some prefixes. Kilo means 1000, hecto is 100, deca is 10, liter, gram, meter means 1, deci means 0.1, centi is 0.01, and milli is 0.001. Measurement of length. The SI unit for length is the meter m, denoted by m. Some of the common instruments that we use to measure length are meter rule, tape measures, calipers, vernier calipers, micrometer, screw gauge. These are the units for length. Like we can measure length into millimeters, into centimeters, and meters and kilometers. And these are the tools through which length are being measured, like in foot steps, through hand span, arm length. These three ways are the previous, or you can say the oldest way of measurements, and now we measure through a scale, measuring tape, vernier caliper, or a screw gauge. So these are the range of measurements. Measuring tape can measure 0 to 5 meter, meter rule can measure 0 to 1 meter, calipers can measure 0 to 15 centimeter, and screw gauge can measure 0 to 2.5 centimeter. That is it for the today's topic. Now, what is vernier caliper? It is a you can say vernier caliper is also a measuring instrument through which length is being measured. Vernier caliper measure the length of size ranges from 0.05 millimeter. So a vernier scale is a visual to take an accurate measurement, a reading between two graduation markings on a linear scale by using mechanical interpolation, thereby increasing resolution and reducing measurement uncertainty. So this is it for length, and I hope you are all clear with the physical quantities also. So in the next class we will study about mass. Thank you so much.